Shocking attack. Kapil Sharma and his cafe in Canada sprayed with bullets. Khalistani threat spreads national security alarm. In a chilling incident that has stunned fans, Kapil Sharma's newly opened cafe was riddled with bullets in a suspected Khalistani-linked attack. The cafe, Caps Cafe, had just opened its door recently. Multiple gunshots were fired at the property, shattering windows and damaging the premises, while staff members were still inside. According to police reports, the attack happened around 1:50 am on July 10th. Surrey police confirmed that the shots were directed at the business and have launched a full-scale investigation. No suspect has been identified yet. What's even more disturbing, unverified posts circulating online claim responsibility by alleged members of BKI, a proscribed terrorist group. Two individuals, Harjeet Singh Laddi and Tufan Singh, reportedly posted that the attack was retaliation over an episode of the Kapil Sharma show, where jokes were allegedly made about Nihang attire and tradition, sparking outrage. A video of the masked gunman firing at the cafe has gone viral on social media, amplifying fears of targeted Khalistani terror threats in Canada. The Canadian government has officially designated BKI as a terrorist organization. Journalist Samir Kaushal, who was at the scene, confirmed the extent of the damage and stated that this incident is not isolated. It fits a growing pattern of attacks on South Asia businesses in the Vancouver. This attack now raises serious questions for Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau. How deep does this threat go, and what is being done to ensure the safety of high-profile Indian figures and businesses? The investigation is ongoing, but one thing is clear: this wasn't just an attack on a cafe, or it was a message.